a secret which is not a secret. Rather, I should call it an open secret. Why? Because we all know about this secret. But we hardly explore it, we hardly practice it. Now, what is that secret?
Is there a secret to success? Can you achieve whatever you desire? Is there any kind of a formula that all the successful people have, which is the reason for their success? Don't we all deserve to know this formula? In the teachings of Gautam Buddha, he clearly said, what you think, you become. What you feel, you attract. And what you imagine, you create. Albert Einstein also once said that everything is energy, and that's all to it. Match the frequencies of the reality you want, and you cannot help but get that reality. It can be no other way. There is no philosophy. This is simple physics. Like attracts like. One of the most surprising facts about wealth is that only 1% of the world's population owns 96% of the world's wealth, whereas the rest 99% of the population has only 4% of the wealth. Why is it so? Why such an inequality? Or is there a formula?
Whatever we talk, whatever we think in life, in daily routine, it remains there around us. It travels here. अरे यार, मैं तेरे बारे में सोच रहा था, तेरा फोन आ गया अचानक. What is this? We call it telepathy. It works like this. You think about something and it happens. This is called law of attraction.
The law of attraction is believed that the universe creates and provides for that which your thoughts are focused on. It is believed by many to be a universal law by which like attracts like. The result of positive thoughts are always a positive consequence. When you see all these rich people in the world, you will find one thing very common, that they've always deeply desired of what they have achieved in their lives. The desire has culminated, but the desire has been extremely deep. Their passion towards the desire, their drive, their thrust has been extremely high.
Share my personal experience with you. It happens. See, this is not written. I am telling you my personal experience. I used to like a car very much, which I knew that it wasn't in my budget, but I used to love it. Kash, ye car mere paas thi. Now, this is called law of attraction. You know what I did? I put a picture of that car on my study. Every morning I used to get up. I used to have a look at that pic and think from here with very strong vibes. This is going to be my car. Trust me. 2 months. In 2 months' time, I bought that car.
Bruce Lee achieved his life goals at the age of 32 because of one of his strong traits. Bruce Lee wrote to himself as a reminder of what he wanted in his life. He made a to-do list at the age of 21, and in one of his letters, he wrote, "There are two ways of making a good living. One is the result of hard work, and the other is the result of imagination." I feel I have this great spiritual power, which is a creative force within me that is greater than faith, greater than ambition, greater than confidence, greater than determination, greater than vision. It is all these combined forces. My brain becomes magnetized with this dominant force which I hold within myself, which is the reason of my absolute confidence. Bruce Lee called this a plan, as a spiritual plan, in his writings when he was just 21 years of age. America has also been using motivational books to bring about a financial revolution after being hit by the Great Depression in the 1980s. So let's find out whether attracting what you desire is possible, and if yes, then it's important to know to what extent. The law of attraction is the belief that thoughts are made up of pure energy, and that a process of like energy attracting the like energy can bring about an improvement in your health, wealth, and personal relationships. Though there is no scientific evidence supporting the law of attraction, but still it has been used and misused from time and again. How do you become a magnet to attract all the energy? Is it really possible? In our Vedic text, the law of attraction is also known as the Sankalp Siddhi, and the basis of Sankalp Siddhi are that संकल्प और अखंड अभ्यास से किया गया हर कार्य सिद्ध हो जाता है. It means that determination is the key to bring about the change. But before we learn the art of law of attraction, you need to understand there is a language of the nature. The ancient text asked us to pray on a daily basis. These prayers were asking a supreme almighty, a supreme power of what we deeply desire. Is there any reason why such a praying structure was formatted? Was it not the reason to attract what we want? A language that you need to learn to communicate with the nature. It is not the reason the prayers are done. So here is the key. You will get what you need and not what you want. So what do I have to do, and how do I have to prepare myself that nature can understand me, that nature reaches out back to me? The key goes with the old saying that when the student is ready, the master appears. Now the question arises, what should I do to attract what I desire? Most people desire wealth, but the biggest question is, are you ready to receive it? You will get what you need and not what you want. So what do I do to have to prepare myself? Most people desire wealth, but the biggest question is, are you ready to receive it? Do you not fear being rich? And most of us are not of the subconscious belief that money is the root cause of all the evils and problems, whereas the truth is the lack of it is the root of all the problems. And the first step towards the law of attraction is with love and with no fear and with complete faith and belief of what you want to attract, and it will flow to you. We've observed one thing, that God has been very kind to the little children. They often hear their prayers. Whatever the little children wants, they do get it. But is it not because of the reason that their asking comes with no negative belief, with 100% faith? The law of attraction works on the same fundamental principle.
Law of attraction. Friends, this is magic. It happens. It can happen with anyone. Try it once.
You need to ask with complete faith, with no negative belief, and the universe will make sure that what you desire will flow towards you.